Hello everyone, this is Zora's Dolls. I'm doing my first voiceover, and I'm also still recovering from an upper respiratory infection, so if I sound a little sickly, please disregard that. Here I am just putting in some of the lines in her eye creases. I'm taking a tiny sponge with water and feathering out the edges so they're not too clumsy. I'm also getting the creases of her mouth and the inner part where her mouth opens. Here I'm just going in with a red-brown gouache watercolor and doing the eyeliner. Trying to get both sides of them even as possible. Now I'm doing the top set of eyes and trying to take into account that the top set looks more up and forward, while the bottom set has more of a downcast expression. Taking a little bit of pastel on a tiny little brush and adding to the creases. I'm blending those out with a fluffy brush and a Q-tip. I'm also trying to contour the under part of her eyes, the eye bags. I'm also redoing a couple of things when I'm not satisfied with the blend. Here I am erasing some of the pigment off the top of the eyelids. I'm also contouring her nose with the same color and the same pencil and brush. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush, with a little bit of pink and peach pastel and blushing her cheeks, nose, mouth, and chin. I'm also going and contouring her ears. I'm also using the eraser to take the pigment off the higher points in the ears. I'm going in and doing another layer on the pastels on her eyes. Adding in a darker color along the crease with an angled brush. Taking a pencil and now I'm sketching out her lipstick. I really love the way her lipstick kind of curls on the side. I also love the color. That dark vampy red is very pretty against the pink skin tone. I'm just taking that watercolored pencil, lifting the pigment, and using my brush to make the color more even and not so grainy. Of course, using my little micro sponge to clean up the edges. Now, in hindsight, I probably should have waited until I got done with the graphic liner to add in the eyelashes, but I don't believe at this point I had fully decided if I was just going to do a plain face or if I was going to be inspired by one of the concert masks where they have such pretty graphic liner. Of course, I can never get the eyelashes to look right on the first try, so I'm doing them at least probably 10 or 12 times. Also putting another layer of lipstick on to make the color opaque. Here I'm adding a shadow under eyelashes. A light pink pencil and hitting her waterline to bring back that color. Here I'm adding in a darker color in her lips to show that her mouth is open. Hitting her waterline again with the light pink colored pencil, and I'm adding a red pigment in her eye corners. Shading under the eyelashes too. I'm also taking that light pink pencil and going over the eyelids to really bring that color back out. Bit of white powder pastel over the eyelids to bring back that brightness. I'm also going around her nose and lips with it too. Going back over the eyeliner because it got washed out with the white pigment. Now I'm going in and sketching the little hearts on her cheeks and also finding an example for the mask makeup and trying to do the graphic liner. Although this initial attempt right here I have to erase because I did it on the wrong side of the face. The design is supposed to be on the left side. Would have been a lot easier if I had waited to do the eyelashes. Hindsight is 20/20. I have to redo that part a couple of times before it ever looks right. Taking a little bit of a red and pink watercolor pencil and lifting the pigment and putting on the little cheek hearts.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described.
And here I am going back over the eyeliner and eyelashes because I covered them up.
Usually it's something that moves.
With doing the graphic line. A white highlight around the lips and the cheeks and painting in her little teeth. Now I'm glossing everything. I'm also going and putting gloss on the waterline. And also her eyeliner, but this also gets covered up here in a second and you'll see why. Now it's gonna happen sooner than later, but I turned into a glitter fiend and put glitter all over her eyelids. I just mixed a little bit of glitter in with my gloss and put that on there. I'm also doing that to the cheek hearts here. I just love a good glitter. I'm having to take some of the larger glitter chunks and put them on individually. And here I am just putting a second coat of gloss to lock all of those glitter pieces in. And of course, where would I be without my little cleanup sponge?
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Now I'm putting in the Elmer's glue to glue in her eyelashes. For this look, I went with a white lash to complement her white eyeliner and to stand out against the dark brown eyeliner. Just cleaning the glue off the top of the eyelids. Don't want to mess up that glossy finish. Now I'm installing the eyelashes. I believe these are a 5mm white lash from Dalmore. I'm just using a smaller strip to go on the top lashes.
So then, why?
Using an X-Acto knife to get my exact placement. And here's the finished result. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.